Alright, I'm recording.
Spring, April 2012, Rich and myself, we built the Foundry. We're gonna light it.
That ain't gonna work.
We both novices.
Hold on.
I gotta turn the power on.
Well, stick it in there and then turn the power on.
That ain't gonna feed me back?
Now get away from it.
Okay, we in action. Alright, come film something to fire. Let's fire it up.
Is it working?
This shit's fired up.
Wow.
Okay, can't see up in there. It's hot. But is we at the right, is that coming out of there the right way?
I don't know.
See, look up in there. Yeah, it's burning. Might have to adjust the pressure to.
Uh-oh. Sounds like it went out.
Did it go out?
No, it's going.
It's increased. There's a lot of heat coming out of that, Rich. Increase. Get out of there.
I'm gonna come back and do it at night.
There's a lot of heat coming. Oh yeah, that's a lot of heat. That thing's hot. See, I can't really tell what the pressure is though.
Alright, put it down.
We did it. We are in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We're in Minneapolis, Minnesota. 10,000 lakes. You can make one of these too. We got a bed frame, trash can, and pipe.
That shit ain't coming out of there. You're gonna have to melt it all the way down.
It's just gonna get hot. I smell it. We're using the Oliver 2 burner. And a couple other parts that you can order off the internet. We are trying to get the drain pipe to come out that we use to make the circle part here, the opening for the breeze. Trying to get that to come out. That didn't come out too good. It's melting.